Well, a high-profile local attorney has been indicted on new criminal charges following his arrest last year in a domestic violence case. 2 on your side's Michael Wooten once again has this exclusive report.
There's nothing ethically wrong.
Matthew Albert isn't necessarily a household name.
Heavy-handed approach.
But he's been on the local news a lot, representing several high-profile clients in high-profile cases, several involving animal abuse.
The city sits on it, denies reports that it was missing.
In many ways, he's an attorney and an activist. Here, he led a rally outside the holding center after the death of an inmate. Albert used to work as an Erie County Assistant District Attorney, but now the former prosecutor is the defendant. A grand jury indicting him on new criminal charges, including a felony.
It's a very serious charge. Anytime you're talking about felonies, it's serious. When you're talking about a D felony, that's the second lowest grade. The lowest is E, but the D felony is serious. You get 2 1/3 to 7 years as a maximum punishment. Now, you wouldn't expect that for anyone who has no prior record.
The case dates back to last summer. Albert was accused of choking his then-girlfriend, hitting her and causing her to fall downstairs. He faced several misdemeanors. His reaction then was to criticize Buffalo police. He said, quote, "I wish an actual investigation had been conducted with police." It turns out the investigation wasn't over. Last week's indictment added 3 new counts: felony bribing a witness, misdemeanor tampering with a witness, and misdemeanor criminal contempt.
If a lawyer is convicted of a felony, you lose your license. A misdemeanor, you have some real problems with the appellate division. And if it's a misdemeanor relating to you somehow trying to tamper with the court system, then it's very different than, say, a DWI misdemeanor, which happens with attorneys, unfortunately.
Albert's law office referred us to his private attorney, who told me it's too early for him to comment on this case, but he would at the appropriate time.
We tried today to get a copy of the indictment, which would tell us a lot more specifics in this case, but that is not yet available to the public. Albert will be arraigned a week from today before a domestic violence judge in state Supreme Court. We'll keep you posted as the case progresses. Now, our legal analyst Barry Covert there was quick to point out that Albert, like all defendants, is innocent until proven guilty. Reporting live, Michael Wooten, Channel 2 News.